Hi, I'm getting a lot of requests to make a video to further explain on MCDX, especially how to use it to trade Forex and gold. Okay, so basically for this MCDX by default, the offset setting is 10. So most of the time for Forex pair, because of their volume different, they have a different volume profile as compared to stock. So um, we need to do a little bit of settings for that. Okay, so when you load MCDX, you normally will see all yellow. It's 100% hot money for forex pair or even gold. So if you want to use this to trade forex, so what I normally do is lower down the offset settings. Okay, this is offset settings. I by default is auto, so I remove the auto setting and I reduce the offset setting to lower value. So if you reduce the value of offsets, it will be increase the sensitivity of the volume detection. All right, so you need to adjust accordingly to make sure that the price movement and the wave for the green bar and the red bar is in sync or correlated. Okay, so normally if I trade 1 hour chart, and you can see that the wave is moving according to the price. So okay, so the next question is, how are you going to use this? So to describe each bar, basically the green bar over here at the top is representing the percentage. Okay, there's a, if you have a long green bar, is high percentage, which is actually summarized over here. See, it's over here. So we have a very long green bar. It's a stack bar. It's very long green bar is 90%, 96% of the volume is actually is a retail volume, which means that more retail, it will push down the price. And we have 0% of bankers here. So for bankers over here, we mean that is we have more bankers means that the price will be pushed up. All this is based on the volume, okay, as compared to smart money that most of the you guys are using. All right, so how to read this chart is that it's very simple. If the green bar, you see there's a strong green bar over here, means that the selling pressure. Okay, if the red bar is increasing, means that the buying pressure. So when you see the strong green bar, the selling pressure is high. Okay, and the green bar over here is turned light, means that the selling pressure is at ease, meaning that is the selling pressure is going away. So, and at the same time, we have a banker's bar over here is increasing. All right, it's increasing, meaning there's buying interest is coming in. All right, so the next question is, which I normally get, is how about the gray color over here, the gray color, the gray percentage here. You can use this to detect if the price is moving sideways. For example, over here we see there's a high percentage of a green bar over here, green so-called hot money, meaning that the price is moving sideways. All right, see, you see over here, this is sideways. Look at the chart. Yes, it's a sideways. Right, so how I normally use to trade this is I use together with moving average. You can have your own moving averages, but to me I use my standard moving averages. Over here I use 200, 50 and 20. So I just look at the signal. If the signal, the buy signal, for example over here, the buy signal, meaning that the selling pressure reduce, you see, from dark green to light green, and light red become strong red, this is the trigger point. So meaning that the buying pressure is basically is more than selling pressure. And if the price is above my moving average, 200 moving average, I tend to long. Okay, and over here the buying interest is reducing from strong rate to light rate, meaning that the price is coming down. But I won't short over here because the price is basically above my EMA line. Okay, if you want to trade for the very quick profit, you can short until it turns strong rate over here. Okay, so from strong rate to light rate, and it's coming down, meaning that you can short. All right, and if supported by the green bar over here, the strong green bar, then it will be better. Okay, so same thing for gold. Same thing for gold. Make sure that the volume profile is moving, the price is moving accordingly, right? Otherwise, you need to go and change your settings over here, right? 2.5, or you want to lower down if you want to trade, say, 15 minutes chart. Okay, yes, you can. If the wave is of the price is moving according to this MCDX, then you are in the right settings. So same things over here, from the light rate to become a strong rate, and together from strong green turn to light green, meaning the selling pressure is reducing and the buying pressure is increasing. So this is a point that you can get ready to buy. And once I have a buy signal over here, you can start to long. So same thing, I have a sell signal, it's a pullback, and then it's supported by the buying pressure is at ease, then I sell. All right, the best is you buy if the price is above moving average, and you sell if the price is below moving average. So that's about it on how to set this MCDX. You remove, again, I recap. So if you click auto, basically it will automatically adjust based on your time frame. Okay, but these settings is mainly designed for stocks trading, right? So for Forex, you need to remove this, and you need to change the offset accordingly. And a different Forex pair will have a different volume profile, so you need to have a different settings for different Forex pair. Okay, so basically I use 0.2, or even sometimes I down to 0.1, especially GBP, USD. Okay, so normally these are reduced to lower value to increase the sensitivity to 1 sometime. Okay, right? So you see, when it come down, it can detect pretty fast, right? Or it's the price movement, it can detect pretty fast for GBP USD. All right, that's all I have. If you have any question, you can drop me an email, or you can drop me a message in Telegram. Thanks.